Want to cash out your crypto profits or withdraw unused funds back to your bank? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to withdraw USD from crypto.com to your bank account. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Withdrawing USD is straightforward once you have your bank account linked to your crypto.com fiat wallet. First, ensure you have USD in your fiat wallet. If you need to convert crypto to USD, sell it first through the sell function to get USD into your fiat wallet. Go to Transfer, Withdraw USD, and select your linked bank account. If you haven't linked one yet, you'll need to add your bank account details first. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw and confirm the transaction. Standard ACH withdrawals typically take 3 to 5 business days to reach your bank account. A crucial pro tip: always initiate withdrawals during business days rather than weekends to minimize processing time. Also, double-check your bank account details to avoid any delays or failed transfers. And just like that, you've successfully converted your crypto assets back to traditional currency. Withdrawing USD completes the cycle of managing your digital wealth. Have you ever needed to make an urgent withdrawal? How did you handle it? Share your experience in the comments. For moving crypto, watch our next video on how to send crypto on crypto.com. Thanks for watching.